we are so different. I like to talk to the people who are different from me because that can change me a lot.
I agree. We are very different.
I think I like to talk to you, and I also like to on the stage to communicate with my foreign friends. So I decide to follow you. I hope that every day, if I come to your living room, I can be put on the stage and come talk to you and get some new idea that's different from mine. I also want to get an answer from you. I'm in China, so I just learn English by myself or from my Chinese teacher or read some English books or newspaper. So I don't know which level of my English is. You can say just so or good or poor. Or you can give me more details. Yeah, you can say anything you want. I don't care.
Yes, Ashley. I don't care. That's the way to go. I love that attitude. Great job, Ashley. Like I said, I think I would need more time to talk to you to figure out more specific advice on how to improve your English, and maybe I can give you a better evaluation. I cannot give you an evaluation in the first meeting, right? It just needs some time,
Okay.
maybe
Okay.
a few extra questions back and forth. But
Okay.
I want to mention something about what you just said. And I think that that's really cool that you have this intention that you want to come here to improve your English and you want to talk to people that are different than you and you want to open your mind. Thank you. I really like that attitude and I love your confidence.